working on replacing our gates that let us into our yard. They're there along our driveway, and they were knocked down in the past. So I took and built these gate frames. I got my materials at Home Depot and ordered the rolling part of the bracket from Amazon. And as you can see, I'm over to the side getting the fence ready to bring over and apply it to the gate.
And that right there in a little bit. I gotta finish what I'm doing.
Yeah. Here I am fixing to roll the fence out and attach it to the new gate frame.